I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died, my richest gain I count but loss, and pour content on all my pride. Forbid it, Lord, that I should boast, save in the death of Christ my God. All the vain things that charm me most, I sacrifice them through His blood.
See from His head, His hands, His feet, sorrow and love will mingle down. Did such love and sorrow meet, or thoughts compose so rich a crown?
For the whole realm of nature mine, that were a present far too small, love so amazing, so divine, demands my soul.